All right, birthday Howard, birthday Howard Chai. Sound like how about sound shy, but sound kind of dash. The one is the elder apostle, great Moses, Woo Wells. This is their citation of Oscar puts in the truth, the what the book on the earth. To the fair and fire, yes, I'm sound shy, the hope won't let. And shalom to the beauty, to that tune to the spirit. If it were literally called God, his name is Howard. If it were literally called Jesus Christ, his name is Howard Chai. The Hebrew Israelite, that's to the so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native American Indians, and those in line descendants, go back to the tribe of Israel, due to the scattering amongst the nations, amongst the four corners of the earth. This is my Hardy Carlson, Great Millstone, Los Angeles camps, Sacramento elections, and Abinah Rasdal are willing to be edifying to the prayer of power, Yahweh by sound of Shai, by sound of Kakadash, the Holy Spirit. That's the articles. It's the three, Elon Musk, the miracle of the beast, his new company, um, called Blindsight. All right. So this is the time of India. The article could restore sight FDA grant breakthrough status to must Neuralink blind sight implants. What it means. All right. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration on Tuesday granted breakthrough device status to Elon Musk Neuralink experimental vision restoring implants blind sights. This designation aims to speed up development and review of innovative medical devices that address severe conditions. Musk explained that the device could allow individuals who have lost both eyes and their optic nerves to regain sight. For those who have been blind from birth, provided their visual cortex remained intact, the device could offer vision for the first time. Musk described the initial vision qualities as being akin to early video game graphics, but suggested that future advancement could lead to vision that surpasses natural sight, including the ability to perceive infrared, ultraviolet, or radar wavelengths. All right, and that's also because humans can't see infrared, ultraviolet, and radar wavelengths. All right, you have to have special goggles, glasses. If they don't, that's also transhumanism right there too, merging technology with machines. All right. To set expectations correctly, the vision will be low resolution like Atari graphics, but eventually it has the potential to be better than natural vision and enable you to see in infrared, ultraviolet, or even radar wavelengths. Musk said in a post on X. Hmm. All right, that's the miracle, part of the miracle of the beast. All right. Sorry about words. All the thieves, scribbles, you know. How it goes. Like it. There it is. Deceivable. Let's try putting that this word in. Deceivableness. Alright. This texting Thessalonian 2 and 9. Even him who coming is after the working of Satan. Alright. You thought even Satan, the adversaries. We adversaries. With all power and sign and lying wonder, and with all the deceivableness of unrighteousness in them that perish, because they receive not the love of truth, that they might be saved. All right, back to verse 9 in the NLT. This man will come to do the work of Satan with counterfeit power and sign and miracles. So these miracles are counterfeit, all right, because they're not Yahweh Shai, all right? So Yahweh Shai was restoring vision to the blind, okay? But Esau, Edom, to the left-hand side, all right, to the left-hand energies, is coming up with the technology to restore vision to the blind, all right? Using devices, implant, and all those sorts of things, which are counterfeit power, okay? So here, power and signs and wonder through those lines. Alright, a perverse and pious the steeple precepts. Falsehood. I think I cut the wrong one. Lying, power, and wonders. Let's just look at counterfeit. Made in that imitation of something valuable or important with the intention of the thief or the fraud. Fake. Okay. Let's go to M online. That's the for counter. Alright. 1300 pretends to be, boom, counters. Counterfeit. Alright. Imitated. Or imitated. Take or follow as a model. Mimic. Alright. Technology. It's mimicking. Okay. Imitate from contrary against. Like counter, it's against, like somebody have a counter suit. Basically, they're making a counter claim against the lawsuit. Okay, a counter is against the contra verb to make, to do, to make do. All right, because basically that person was obviously born with blind, or they have an accident where they became blind. But it's how myself tries when I can restore vision to the blind if he wants to. It's not, it's judgment. So even on the left hand side, it's going against that. It's coming up with a counterfeit way of restoring vision to the blind. Alright? And also it's version technology with humans, okay? Transhumanism. Because the articles that they want to do infrared, and ultraviolet.